Welcome to London Kids Academy.
All aboard the birdie train, feathers flying down the lane.
An owl blinks in the night, riding the train in the pale moonlight. Then robins chirp a morning song, singing sweetly all day long.
Gull parrots quack and fly so high, wearing hats and saying hi. I'll add swans with necks so neat, twirling slowly to the beat.
The hens cluck with happy feet, bouncing to a barnyard beat.
Canaries sing a golden tune, filling the train with a joyful swoon.
Chicks go peep with tiny cheer.
Yay! We've counted! Let's all cheer!
The birdie train has reached the end, but every chirp made a brand